Hello all. So today we are going to take the case study on human characteristics in design. So as a part of our course user interface design. So user interface design, we know that how to do the design interactively and attract the user. Okay, so what are the human characteristics required while we are designing our user interface? Okay, so these will be we are considering in this case study. So first of all, we should know about our client or user. So every software companies, they can do the requirement base. So requirement is the important for every discovery. Okay, so here is that some of the factors must know to know about the user or client. So which means we should know about the what is actual user require and their requirement, what is their problem, and we will bring the solution for their problem. Okay, so understand how people interact with computers and understand the human characteristics. So it's a very important. So this topic is we are going to cover on this case study, and identify the user level of knowledge and experience, identify the characteristics of the user needs and task, and the psychological characteristics of user, and physical characteristics, and employ them, understand of the user. So why people have trouble with computer? So what is the problem? The people trouble with it. So nowadays there is no problem at all. So many people are working with smartphones, and they are work on the computers and all. First of all, they are not familiar with the technical terms, and the design is not attract them, and various distinctions and various levels of there, and problems are language problem and error correction and all. And last one is the design inconsistency. So these are the problem is that, and what are the design not attractive to the user? So confusion, annoyance, frustration, panic, and boredom. So these are the designs not attractive customer. So first thing is that why people struggling with the computer. So because we should know about the how to design the user interface. So these factor we should consider. And if the people have the problem of the previous slides, so these will leads to the, so they may be abandonment of the system, partial use of the system, indirect use of the system, modification of the task, and lost direct. So if they are not familiar with the system, or they are not the system will make as the user friendly, so they definitely leads to abandon the system, or the system will not be used that, and particular the purpose will not meet out. So these are the problems we are facing that. And what are the important characteristics of the human? So here is that proximity, similarity, matching pattern, successiveness, closer, unity, balance, expectancies, context, signal versus noise. So these are the some of the noises, problems arising in that human interactions. And human consideration, while we are going to discuss the consideration, so we should know about that what are the things while designing our system. Okay, so these things are very important. So like user knowledge, so which means, so what is the user expectation, so we are going to provide that. So computer literacy, system experience, application, and then education, reading level, so typing skill. So these should be we have considered that. So now we can find out the solution for this all the problem. Okay, so visit user locations. We can visit the user, and what is the problem, and how will we can provide the solution for that, and we can talk with the user and observe the what is the problem they are facing, and we can provide the solution for that. So these are that we are providing in the view of the human interaction. So thank you.